So I have here my mix of plaster text, which I tinted with a little bit of paint, just a slight off-white. And then I'm gonna apply it thinly while leaving some of the textured color be underneath. I press it onto our cinder block so that it exposes some of the texture of the block. So if you can look closely, you'll see that it exposes some of the multiple colors of paint that I had painted before. And I just do it sporadically, but I do smooth it out a bit so that it doesn't look too caked on, but it's a matter of preference. And when it dries, it'll look really cool. It'll start giving it that kind of authentic brick look. And you can pick the colors you want underneath. I did 3 colors. You can do as many colors as you want, or even just 1 color, but the more colors you add, the more layered it looks, the richer I think it looks. And I use a trowel or a spatula to smooth it on.